Are you tired of vacuuming, mopping, and still finding dust bunnies under the couch? Today, we're putting the best robot vacuum and mop combos to the test to see which ones actually deliver and which ones just look good on paper. From budget-friendly picks to high-end smart cleaners, I'll run them through real-world challenges. Hardwood, carpets, pet hair, even tough stains, to find out who really earns a spot in your home. One of these robots shocked me with how well it cleaned, while another expensive model completely failed a simple test. Stick around until the end because the results might surprise you. Amazon links to all the models with updated prices and deals are in the description below. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Max 705. The iRobot Roomba Max 705 is the ultimate cleaning partner that takes hands-free to a whole new level. Priced at around $299.99, this powerhouse vacuums and mops seamlessly, switching from hard floors to carpets without missing a spot. With 175x stronger suction, dual anti-tangle brushes, and heated power spin roller mop scrubbing at 200 RPM, it crushes dirt, stains, and pet hair edge to edge. The auto wash dock keeps things effortless, with 75 days of auto emptying, roller washing, heated drying, and auto solution dispensing, basically months of worry-free cleaning. Thanks to LiDAR mapping and Precision Vision AI, it avoids cords, socks, and even pet messes while intelligently prioritizing dirty rooms. With app control, Alexa, and Google Assistant support, you can literally clean with your voice. If you want spotless floors without lifting a finger, this is the Roomba that finally does it all. Updated prices and deals on Amazon. The link for this model is in the description below. Number 4. Roborock Saros Z70. The Roborock Saros Z70. This $1 $999.99 flagship robot vacuum doesn't just clean. It helps around the house with its revolutionary OmniGrip mechanical arm that can lift objects, move obstacles, and even tidy up socks or tissues. With a jaw-dropping 22,000 Pascal suction, hot water mopping, and a 3.14 ultra-slim design, it reaches dirt no vacuum has touched before. Its AI-powered StarSight 2.0 navigation recognizes over 100 obstacles, adapts to your home, and even takes pet snaps while cleaning. The 10-in-1 multifunctional dock keeps everything hands-free: auto dust emptying, detergent dispensing, hot water mop washing, and warm air drying. Add in voice control with Hello Rocky, video calling to check on pets, and full app customization, and you've got a cleaning sidekick like no other. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a game-changing home assistant. Updated prices and deals on Amazon. The link for this model is in the description below. Number 3. Eureka J15 Ultra. The Eureka J15 Ultra is your ultimate cleaning partner, priced at around $599.88. This smart robot isn't just about suction. It's a powerhouse with 19,000 pascals of deep cleaning strength, easily tackling dust, debris, and pet hair. The 8-in-1 self-emptying base handles it all, emptying dirt, refilling water, and even washing and drying mop pads with 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water and 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot air. Its flex-arm mop and square round body design ensure a 99.95% edge-to-edge clean, while the anti-tangle Flexi Razor brush cuts through hair 400 times per minute, perfect for pet owners. With AI dirt detection and obstacle avoidance, it automatically adjusts to messes and avoids over 150 object types. Hands-free, powerful, and smart. This is cleaning redefined. Updated prices and deals on Amazon. The link for this model is in the description below. Number 2. Ecovacs Diba T50 Max Pro. The Ecovacs Diba T50 Max Pro is a powerhouse robot vacuum designed for US homes with pets, carpets, and busy families. With Blast Airflow Tech delivering a jaw-dropping 18,500 Pascal suction, this robot doesn't just pick up dust, it deep cleans carpets with 78% better efficiency. The 18mm auto lift mop keeps carpets dry while scrubbing hard floors spotless, and Zero Tangle 2.0 means no more wrestling with hair wraps. Its TrueEdge 2.0 system reaches every corner, while the 12-in-1 Omni station handles mop washing, hot air drying, self-emptying and water refills, completely hands-free. Add smart navigation with AIVI 3D 3.0 obstacle avoidance, voice control via Alexa or Google, and even Matter compatibility, and you've got the smartest clean money can buy. Price ranges around $649.99, making it a premium but worthy investment in effortless living. Updated prices and deals on Amazon. The link for this model is in the description below. Number 1. Eufy Omni S1 Pro. The Eufy Omni S1 Pro. A cleaning powerhouse that feels like the sports car of robot vacuums. With an innovative Hydrojet roller mop, it scrubs floors at 170 RPM using ozonated water and 1 kilogram of pressure, mimicking a hand scrub for spotless results. The 10-in-1 Uniclean station does all the dirty work for you. Auto washing, drying, refilling, emptying, and even faster charging. Add in 8,000 pascals suction, 3D obstacle avoidance, and a sleek square design that cleans right into corners, and you've got a vacuum and mop combo that redefines home cleaning. Whether it's pet hair on carpet or stains on tile, it adapts instantly, even lifting its mop when it hits carpet. At around $949.99 in the US, this isn't just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Updated prices and deals on Amazon. The link for this model is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please use the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.